In today's video, I'm going to teach you about sprint planning with Jira. If you're new to using Jira for managing your Scrum teams, or simply want a refresher on how to efficiently set up your sprints, then you've come to the right place. First and foremost, let's dive into the process by setting up your Scrum project. Creating a new Scrum project in Jira is your starting point. Once you've set up your project, you're going to be introduced to a unique interface called the backlog view. This is essentially the workspace where you'll organize and list all your tasks and items that need attention. Think of it as your central hub for all project requirements that you'll be managing throughout the sprint. It's here, in the backlog view, that you can plan out your workload and have a comprehensive overview of everything that's in the pipeline. Adjacent to this section, you will notice another important area called the sprint section. Now, this is where the magic of sprint planning happens. You can take any of the items from your backlog that you've listed and simply drag and drop them into this sprint section. It's a feature designed to streamline the process, making it intuitive and straightforward to allocate tasks to your upcoming sprint. Once you've dragged all necessary items into your sprint, you're ready to kick things off. To get your sprint underway, you'll find a Start Sprint button conveniently located at the top right of the sprint list. Clicking on this button initiates the sprint, marking the official start of the timeline you and your team will be working within. From this moment on, you're in sprint mode, which means it's time to get to work. After starting the sprint, you can shift your attention to the board view of your project. This is the stage where you can begin to execute on the tasks you've planned. The board view is designed for easy tracking of your sprint's progress. It enables you and your team to move tasks through various stages such as to do, in progress, and done. In this way, everyone involved can maintain a clear understanding of where the project stands in real time. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully planned and begun your sprint in Jira, ensuring a structured, effective, and visually manageable workflow for you and your team. By understanding how to create your Scrum project, organize backlogs, and manage your sprint, you're well on your way to maximizing productivity and achieving excellent results. Remember, this process, when performed regularly, not only keeps your project on track, but also encourages continual improvement in team collaboration and project outcomes. Happy sprinting, and may your projects run smoothly.